In a time when nations struggle with identity, purpose, and direction, the poetry of Allama Muhammad Iqbal once again emerges as a powerful voice of awakening, with Bang-e-Dra standing as a historic call that transcends generations. Written during the era of colonial dominance, this remarkable collection of poetry was not merely literature but a revolutionary message aimed at reviving a sleeping nation. Through Bang-e-Dra, Iqbal addressed the youth, urging them to rediscover their inner strength, self-respect, and spiritual power, a philosophy he famously described as khudi, or selfhood. He warned that nations which lose faith in themselves are destined to decline, while those who awaken their khudi rise to shape history. Iqbal's verses challenged slavery of the mind before slavery of the body, reminding Muslims that true freedom begins with intellectual and moral independence. His poetry criticized blind imitation of the West, exposed the dangers of disunity, and called for action, courage, and discipline. Even today, decades after his words were first spoken, Bang-e-Dra feels like breaking news, a timeless alarm echoing in an age of confusion, moral crisis, and leadership failure. Analysts and scholars agree that Iqbal's message remains deeply relevant in the modern world, where youth face identity loss, social pressure, and a lack of direction. His call to rise, think, and act is not limited to one nation or one era. It is a universal message for all who seek dignity, purpose, and revival. In essence, Bang-e-Dra is not just a poetic work of the past, it is a continuing headline of hope, awakening, and resistance against decline, reminding the world that true change begins from within.